And we are live. I'm now going to be trading once again binary option, and you can follow every single trade I do. So if you see this as a recording, make sure you subscribe my channel, okay? Turn on the bell notification so you never lose a session like this. Because as you see a recording, you are lost it. But next week I will trade every single day also. And I do trade in Saturdays. So check out the link below the video for Discord. Also, make sure you join this broker. You find link below the video. And you also find my promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. Now, for the ones that have joined this live stream, welcome. I look forward for this live stream together with you, and let's make some money together. But before I do that, I will just make sure everything is in order. I will just send a fast link out to a few groups just so we get as many people as possible into this live stream. Also present yourself in the chat so I know who is here or who is not here, because I do have some regulars and it's nice to see if they are here. Okay, so I will now just get started with that and we can start to find some trades. So now let's see, we are now live trading binary options here. Let's post that. Let's post in WhatsApp, in Telegram. I think that's enough. Then I think we can start with our live session and let's see if we can find some cool trades from morning here now. So we see already here now, let's take a trade here. Let's see how this will play out. We will turn this one on here. Oh shit, I did an error. Did just a $10 trade. Okay, forgot to change to 100. That's okay. At least we won the trade, right? But let's move this line up around there and we take it. And when you come into a live stream, make sure that you like this video, because you help me tremendously by doing so. Oh, that's it. Sitting with the share of my daughter today. For some reason I didn't manage to break my own office share yesterday. Now let's see. And as always in the chat you find link to this broker. It's 163%. Okay. Then let's check Binance. Let's take a reload just to make sure. This is my favorite, by the way. Let's see. Yes, this looks good. Let's take this one down there. Let's change it for a green color. And probably up there would be nice. So that is our trading zone right now. Let's see if we can get some trading here yesterday. No, yesterday we lost money actually. I think we lost like 300. So yesterday was actually the 10th day of 1.5 year trading that I actually lost some money. That is not normal, but also there were a lot of people bothering me in the chat that wasted my time. Today I will just, if come haters today, I will just ban them. Like, yeah, I'll not even bother like asking me, like, I don't do what people ask me to do. I never do that. like ask me, I could push up here to see if that is a real account. Like, yes, real account. I don't even have a demo account. But I don't bother. I don't do things people ask me to do because I get annoyed when people. I don't need to prove. I prove myself. It's so many times I have done this in my live session, and then comes some stupid person that think that no, I will prove that he's in the demo content. You get annoyed when people do this all the time. So from now on, I don't. I have shown everything multiple times, and I'm not going to repeat it just before some fools that come in. And it's taking away from our time of trading. You get it? No, it's not going to happen today. I'm not going to let people distract me so we lose money. So, back to the trading part. I did not like this spike here, so I did not take any trades. So for now, let's remove this line here. Let's concentrate about the one in the top. Sometimes when I wait, when it comes to the first time, I wait and see till I get a small reaction another way. And when I see he's just go down, 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 I don't take it. Okay. So now I'm looking for a sell trade up there. Let's see. And we do earn cash back on every single trade. We just did take a $6 trade, so it's only 0.4 for a $10 trade, I mean, but we only made like $6. So I think it's only when you go about $1 this is available. I take out this money every single recap video I make always a recap video after, and then I collect this money. Now this is taking a little time, but at least we're earning 98% now on Binance Coin. That is my favorite. Now let's see. We might be interested here. For now, I'm going to make it a blue line just to follow. Let's wait and see how this plays out. And I see there are a couple of people in the live session. If you want to present yourself. Now, let's see. So you see the blue line is not even to think about. There might be something here. We need to wait. We need at least a couple of tests on this blue line. Till now we don't have a line we can trade here. I think we need to take a small break from Binance Coin till he figure out a zone for us again, so we don't waste too much time here. Only 63%, but my god, this one is nice. Let's see. Let's wait and see if we can get a trade. Like I said, I don't like when it's just 63%. But we need to wait for Binance Coin to relax a little. Now he's breaking very strongly down, of course. So then we need to wait here also. Let's just check some normal currencies then. We just might, no, it's a 63. Let's take something a little better. Let's check this one. Okay, there, that might be something, but now he's breaking hard down here also. So let's move on. Let's see there. Up here I do like a little. Let's mark the one at top there, around there. Let's make it our red line. I like it that much. We have a 1 minute close, and I will do $100 trade up there. Let me see if everything is order. Very low activity in our live stream today here at YouTube. Just 3 people till now have been into this live stream. That is very low. We have been live now for 11 minutes. That's the thing with YouTube. Sometimes we just don't get any activity. It's very weird. It's more fun for me if we get some more people in. And also, thank you for that, Maverick. Thank you for that. Today, Maverick, I'm not going to let anyone disturb us. The thing is, like I said now, I never do what people tell me to do, because if you start to do that in every single live stream, like yesterday, like ask me, can you push the button up here, for example. If I start to do this in every single live stream for every stupid fool that is going to be a hater, to more like push here to show that it's a real account, show that I don't have not even open a demo account, then you get annoyed, you know. And for the future, I'll just throw people out. So us that is here for trading purposes can do so. Because yesterday I got disturbed and we lost money yesterday, much for that reason. And we can't let that happen today. Now I take a trade here. Let's see how it goes. And good morning for you also, Luke. So Luke and Marek, it's nice to see some people that come back to my live stream. And looks like we are getting a winner. And there we got it, $98. So we had a mistake here. We did just a $10 trade, but it's money also. So $6 plus 98, we are now $104. So now let's see. Binance, if you can try the Binance coin, that's my favorite. I think I never had a bad day with Binance coin. So when you can have a 98% on that one, we go for it. And today I have a beautiful office chair here. Did manage somehow to break my own yesterday. So I'm borrowing till I buy a new one from my daughter. So as you can see, beautiful color. Nothing wrong with that, but it's not my style. So now let's see. Probably we'll get another resistance zone around here, I'm expecting, because here was a nice support before. So I'm expecting that this might be the zone we get to. Let's change this for a blue color, just so we're ready for it. And now let's see. I want to let it there. I did take a, ooh, not the best entry, but let's see. Let's see how this plays out. Do not, I take one more down there. Now let's see. Let's hope we win both. Let's see. Come on now. Wow, we are out of the money both. I should not have talked so good about Binance Coin. Okay, maybe. Do you know what? I lost just $2. That's okay. We lost just $2. Then I will not cry about it. But yeah, that was not the best. But minus $2, so it's still $102 in profit. But yes, that was an ugly break. I don't like when you see that. Let's take a small break from Binance Coin then. When we do something like this, it's not tradable. We see that this happened over here also, that we will break down, but then we get this area down here. So probably, just probably this area down here will be something. Let's make a blue line there. Let's wait and see. Probably this will be the new trading zone. Let's wait and see. We need a couple of more minutes before we can take a decision on where we're going to trade on there. While we do that, let's go over to this one. He of course broke up here. Okay, Polygon, I don't want to trade, it's just 63%. But let's see if we can find another cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is very rare we trade. Bitcoin is moving a little different. It's moving like up, down, up, down. They don't have that much support and resistance areas. So not so tradable. Doge, I should never trade Doge. For the ones that have followed me for a while, I have not had that big success with Doge. Let's remove some of these lines here. Maybe, just maybe. Yeah, probably up here. Just small probability at least. Let's see if Binance Coin is starting to. Okay, looks like this might just be the area. It's not written in stone yet. Now we might get some resistance here. Let's see. We need a few more tests here before we can take a decision on a trade there. Up here, if I'm going to take it, I want to take it on the two extremes, I guess. It's a little higher. Yeah. Now let's see. And if you're just watching this live stream, it's much more fun to watch if you have at least a demo account. You find in the chat, you find a link to this broker. Automatically with that link you will get a demo account. The thing is, with this broker you don't get automatically a demo account, but with that link you get it. And if you later see that this is something for you, then you should only then go in with real money. Start with demo account. I don't want you to be losing money, so start with demo account, see if you manage to follow, and if you do so, then start with real. But I would prefer if you start with demo account. You find a link in the chat. It's pinned message. And if you decide to go in with drill, make sure you use the promo code to get 200% on your first deposit. Now let's take a look here. I think now this might be tradable. I'll turn this one to green if you come down there again. Let's take a 30-second trade, and let's see now if we want to go down to that region again. That would be sweet. We need to wait a little, of course. Come on now. Okay, we are in. Let's see how this one will play out. We are in the trade for 20 seconds. Let's see. Come on now. I need a good day today. And yes, we won that trade. Just for a strange reason, we got disconnected and reconnected. Let's see. Let's see if everything else is okay. Looks to be okay. Now let's continue here now. If we can get a trade in there again, that would be nice. We are in. We got a quite okay entry there, I guess. Let's see. We have now 20 seconds again. We did a mistake in the start here. We did a $10 trade, so we could have had a little more profit today. So we got only $6 here, but the rest we had done quite good. So now let's see. There, another $98. Today we are doing better. So already we have made what we lost in our live session yesterday. So that's cool. That's good, Maverick. I'm happy for you. Yeah, no, Binance Coin, it's we had some hiccups with this one here, but overall Binance Coin are doing very good on that one. Now I think we'll get a refusement up here, so that might be a trading zone. Let me just mark where I think we'll stop. Let's see. Okay, he made a little higher there. If we just have it blue for now, we need to be patient and wait. We never take trades. We need to have at least like 3 tries. So we see a specific, like we see here, so we see a specific area. So I move it down the line a little by little, so we get on the spikes, you know. So we never get the perfect entry on the first try, but we will always move our line a little. Like now you see, that's why we make a blue line. This is just for us to follow. So we can start to, like now we'll see, will it be building something around this region? And I would like that because it's a quite good, okay distance in between the 2 lines. Because if they're too close, I don't do it. Then I take the one I think is better. So now let's see. Okay, looks like he's going to have a continuation upwards. So for now, let's just remove the line so it's no confusions here. Let's just wait and see what will happen. While Binance Coin is deciding where the next trading area will be, we can see if we find something else. Okay, here this looks ugly for me. Let's also remove this. Don't need to look at that. Let's continue to see if we find something else. Ethereum Classic, I have liked that one in the past. And you know what? Here we have a very sweet area. I will take it. I will trade here. And you know what? this looks beautiful. This looks just beautiful for me. I will take trades down here, not even think about it, because we see that fits so good for so long time. And you know what, up here also, our old line here, it's still good. So if you come down to this green line there, yes, we will go for it. 30 seconds, let's go. Now let's see. Out. Do you know what? I will take a look at that one. Out. Are you in OTC or are you? I guess you're in OTC because the 63 is very low. So I'll check the OTC one. Let's see. And I'll say it's a little early. Yes, it's. We see that it's strong support down there. Let's wait and see. We can at least make a blue line there in this region there. Yeah, okay. So let's wait for one more try at least. We see that this was a strong area also in the past. So you are probably correct. Let's wait and see what this bar will do now. If this one can come down to our blue line now and just make a small spike below it, I would love to see that. Let's wait and see. What I do not like is that we have a very small area of movement, you see. I am not a big fan of that because when you see that, we need a very good entry, and very soon he can't go like this for a long time. He will need to break in either direction, and as we see, it's us going a little downwards, so that means probably he will break down. Let's see here now if we can mark it here now with a trend line. So we have a trend line looking more like this, do you see? So when it comes to a trend line like this, most of the time he actually do break up, so that is working for us. But still, he will have less and less area now to move in, and in this case he will need to break up or he will need to break down. So like I said, I don't like when it's a so small area you're trading it. So for me personally, it's nothing wrong by trading here, but me personally, I don't like to trade this one. But yes, of course, if you have taken every single trade here, you would have done quite good actually. But me personally, I don't like when I see something like this. So yes, probably if you take a trade here now, you will win. We can see if you're taking that now. If you're taking the trade here now, probably you would have won. And on first or not, let's see. That's the thing, you see, it's a very tight area he's moving in. So I feel like if I take a trade there now, I will call it a 50-50 if I won or not. Because you see he's testing many times because he have very small area to move inside. And now you see he even is below the area. So probably if I take a trade there now, I would have lost it. So no, I think let's stay away from this pair. It's too small area he's moving inside. Okay. But by the way, good call, Luke. Let's go back to Binance Coin and see if we have. This is something I like. You see here, you see big movement up and down, and you have big space. That's what we like to see. Yeah, no, that's the thing. You can have big movements in Forex also, but like here, it's because you have a downward trend, and he have very small space to move inside. And you can even see in this shorter time area, you even have this trend here. You see, making lower, lower, lower. So obviously something is going to happen here very soon. He will need to do something. So learn your eyes to see if you can see trends. You see lower and lower and lower, and you can make a line like this. Just be aware, don't trade it because it's scary. because here also he will need to take a decision. Will he break down? This line is not exactly there, you can say take it in the extremes. It looks like he's breaking down, you see? And that is because you had a trend here. That's why we could not trade it, you know? So learn your eyes to see this type of trends, because if you see a trend, stay away, okay? Thankfully, we don't see that much of trends on Binance. They're just going up, down is sweet. Trends is something I love when you're trading on Forex. I basically trade mostly, when I trade Forex, I trade mostly trend. That is my favorite, and I have a very high win rate on that in Forex. But when it comes to binary option, I prefer support and resistance because we are talking just 1 minute. It's not even 1 minute, it's like 30 seconds most of the trades. So if you break, we don't care. We just go in, out, and we are done. So now let's see. And this is the last day of the week we are trading on this broker. But for people that like to follow, we will trade on another broker tomorrow in Discord. I will post a link in the chat just so you have it. If you're not a part of my group in Discord, let me see. Let's while we're waiting for something to happen here now, let's post it. Let's see there. That's nice to hear, Marvik. Yes, the thing is, like I said before, in the future, I think we'll trade mostly on Discord, because the sound quality, the video quality, and almost zero delay on the video, it's much better. Can't even compare the two. So only thing that is bad with Discord is that we do not have the videos that we do, the live streams are not recorded. So when we are done with the live stream, it's never to be seen again. Here in YouTube, as you can see, we can be trading, and it will be available after. Actually, most of the people see my live stream after. Okay, that's why always in the start of my live stream I present for these people, so they subscribe and turn on the bell notification, all these type of things, so they don't lose a live stream in the future. But that's the bad thing with the Discord, that it's not stored anywhere. So that is the only bad thing about Discord. Now, this might be an area also. Let's rather mark that one there. We need, of course, a couple of more tries. So if we get down there again, we will go for it. So for now, I'm just trading every Saturday in Discord. Sundays is the only day I take free from. I need 1 free day a week. Because I'm waking up early every single day to do this type of sessions. So now let's see if we can get 2 more tries on this blue line here. That would be good. Might even be that it's up here. Let's wait for now and see. That's why we put the blue line is just for a measure. Okay, that was a perfect test. Let's hope it don't go more down, because I like how it looks like. Okay, I don't like when they start to make lowers. I prefer if we actually make highers, but let's see. Let's wait and see how this one play out. We are not trading, by the way, now. Now we are just following. Blue line, we are just putting the line just so you can follow. And we might move it a little, like you see now. Now I'll put to the lower point of the first. And we need one more try, and we need a close up around here, and we will turn it to a green line. Okay, now we just need one more try and we are good to go. Let's check Ethereum while you're waiting for Binance Coin. For me, it looks like this area looks quite sweet. I will take trades here if you can get down there again. And let me see if we are getting a good ratio for like. Perfect, 5 likes. Thank you all so much. I did not even need to ask for it. That is amazing. I love it. When we get likes, that something YouTube like is that people stay in the live stream and they are pushing like, then I get more people in. So thank you all for that. Because it's much more fun for me to do this type of live streams when we get some people in. Okay, depending on where he closed now, we will activate this line. Let's see. Whoosh. I hope he closes up. I need to wait a little now. I did not like where he closed its bar, so now I will need one more before I activate it. I don't like when I get a closed bar so far down. So let's wait one more test of this blue line, and hopefully he can close around up here. Then I will go for it. Let's see. Sometimes it's better to just hold a little back so we keep our win rate. So today, just so we can see the trades we've done today, a little better than yesterday. Today we have done, like I said, I did a mistake in the start, did just a $10 trade. It's by the way as a winner. So today we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades and 5 winners. That is good in my book. Now, like I will always repeat this once in a while, if you're just looking this live stream, it's much more fun if you open a demo account. So use the link you find in the chat and start with a demo account. If you feel you can follow, then change it to a real one, but only if you feel that you manage to follow. It's better to start with a demo account. Now let's see if you can get a test here now again. Okay, let's see. Now if you can close up here, there you see, that's why we are careful. When like I said, I did not like the close. See here, that's why I said we needed to wait for the blue here to go up and close about here. I wanted to see something like this one. I repeated that. That's why I kept it blue. So never be too confident on the trade. Just rather wait so you feel everything looks nice. And nice is always that you see a repeat of what you see in the start. So when you see one close to it, like now, this is just a remove. I don't have any area here. But now, of course, we might have something in the top. So let's wait and see. Probably up there. I will now make a blue line again before we make it active to trade. Now, of course, he's making much higher. That make me worrisome. I think we need to stay away from Binance Coin just a little bit. He's making 2 big moves. Only area I'm confident still is down here. But now, of course, it starts to be many minutes since I've been down here also. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 60 minutes. My rule is if I've been over 20, we need a new test first. So let's just make this one a blue line, like you see down here now. If we come down here now, I just want one test before I activate it. Okay, but I think there, let's just change it for blue. So right now we don't have any trading area, and up here we see we just have 2. So let's make one line there, and we maybe activate this. Let's check Ethereum. Binance Coin is a little all over the place right now, so we need to wait. So as you can see, I don't trade everything. I try to, when it's like here for example, you see my rule says 1, 2, 3 and you can trade. But when you start to see one that is shooting much higher than the rest, you need to be careful. Of course, I did like the closing down here, so probably we are good here. But when I see something like that, I like to see one more try. So we can say there now, right? So what, for me to activate this one now, for to be a red color to trade, I want to see one bar that looks more like this tree here. If you get one more now and he maybe go even higher, I will not trade on it. So now let's wait and see. Rather wait and see if you can get a repeat of this tree, that this bar go a little higher, come up. Let's see now if you can get up to our blue line, and it will look like this tree here now. Let's see. If we stop there now and go down again, we activate it. Let's wait and see. For now, let's wait and see. I don't hate it yet, but there you see he closed it up. I always say be careful when you see one bars go high. So that's why make a blue line. If you see one that go higher, be careful. Yes, you would have won here, but stop, make it blue line, wait. So if you see one, like I said, if you see one that goes much higher, thankfully you would not have lost on it because you see it close it down here. But be very, very, very careful. Okay. So then let's go back to Binance Coin. So I understand it's not, I always say it's stupid simple, but it's not always stupid simple. You need to add a little small rules like what you like to see. For example, this is a perfect area. Like you would activate after this and you would get 2 winners here basically, right? But here also, this is beautiful. This is not so big, so this I approve. But if you see like this one, for example, higher, much higher, I stay away, I wait a little. It's always I need to see the next, you know. So yeah, now let's see. We are waiting. So right here, the only place that is still nice is the one down here, but now we have been away for 20 minutes. When you've been away for 20 minutes for a support line that you see down here, we need one test, just one. So that would be, for example, here. If it's like 1 hour, if it's like you had a test over here, for example, you had many here, and he come back here, then you need 3. But like 20 minutes or so, it's okay. Like here, it's okay. But if it was over here, you had a few, and you come back again here, then you need a little more, okay? So it's, what I can say, it's better not to trade than trade, okay? Just so you keep your win rate very high. Some days we get thousands of trades. I think the most I done in a live session is like 30 something trades. And at least I think I had done, yesterday was terrible actually. So yesterday is a good example for a day we did very few trades. And of course when you do very few trades also, you might get a bad day because you need many trades to get the average correct. Now there might be a support down here, so let's move this line here now. This might be the area. Let's wait and see. I want to see one more. Like we have this, I will discard this one. But let's see how he now do this. I want him to close up around here. Now he already broke it. Now we can see from the past in this region, he's breaking that also. Okay. Now it's just to wait. When you see something like this, that is typical normal. You see this bar here now, for me, did go away. It's actually the broker. Not the broker, but browser, okay? Because you have a cache in the browser, and the browser can actually forget it. So if I now do a reload here now, this bar will come, if you see. Just wait. There's nothing wrong. See here, the bar is here. It's just the browser forget the bar, okay? So if you see that, it's nothing to be scared of. It's nothing wrong. It's just that the browser forget it. Now actually looks like we maybe will come down to our original line down here. So let's see. It's 20-ish minutes. So if we get a test that looks something like this one here, we will activate our line. Let's see now. We need to be careful because we have a very strong move down. I think I want to see one more, just because we had 3 very strong bars down. So if we can get one more test, let's go for it. Now let's see. And basically tomorrow, the trading style we are going to use on the node broker is exactly the same we are using here. Exactly the same strategy. After my live session today, I always collect also the money we get here. This is cashback that we get on every single trade we do. So it's helping us a little to get a little extra, real low extra. Now let's see. This also might be a zone now. Let's wait and see there. Because you see this was a strong support, now turned resistance. But I did not like this bar here, so for now I will disregard this one. It's too much going up and down here now. I don't like that, because we don't get many trading opportunities. So it's a little long in between each trade here now. Let's check Doge. Doge actually, let's see here now. I do think you can take a trade there. Doge, I have said many times I will never trade Doge again, but somehow Doge dragged me back. Let's see now. Take a trade there, because I have a very bad win rate with Doge. I don't know why, but Doge have not been nice with me. Now let's see if we can get a winner now. Come on now. Actually looks very nice for now. Typically Doge is this, that I'm in the money and the last second he shoot down and lose. Let's see now. But sweet, we got a win with Doge. Got to like that. So our profit is now 396. Also, of course, we collect this after. I will move my line a little down there now. Let's see. I did not get this entry, but let's see if we can get another one. So today we have a very good win rate. Did you win that one also, Maverick? And you look, how are you doing today? Good. And you look, are you taking any trades? And if any of you other ones are taking trades, let me know. 5 wins, that is amazing. I love that. No. I think I'll take a hedge trade here now. Let's see. Or maybe not. I take it. Now let's see. The reason I take a hedge trade now because I did not like the movement. Let's see now. Okay, at least, yeah. I did see a break, and then I wait till I did see 15. I changed it to 15 here, just to get equal. So then I lost just on this trade. I just lost, instead of losing a full $100, I lost just $2. It's not always you can do a hedge trade, by the way, but if you see he stays very close to your entry, and you see that you come to 15 seconds, you then change from 30 to 15 and take a trade another way. And if you then see your entry and your and you see how broken below a little before, the chance that he will close below is high. Then it's better just take a one more and secure that you only lose two. Like in this case, I lost only $2 instead of losing everything. So I don't do it often, hedge trade, but I do it in the cases where you see you can get a very close entry to where you did go the first. So when you see a small break below, like you see here, it's something you can do. You don't need to, but it's something I do quite often when I have the possibility for it. But it's long in between that you can get an entry with a hedge. Okay. Now let's go to Binance Coin, see if things have relaxed there. Okay, I think I will take a trade because it's not so long time since and we have a sweet line here. So if you come down to this one down here, I will go for it. And look, that is amazing, 5 wins. Even if it's just for practice, that is good. And I prefer that you practice because like I said, better to practice and practice and practice before you go in with any real money. Because trust me on this, it's another game when you go in with real because your emotions will take over. And most of the reason people lose money with Forex and binary option is not because of lack of skills. If you just keep to the rules and you manage to keep to the rules, like you could see yesterday, for example, with me. Like yesterday would be a typical day, many people would start to use martingale or go crazy or whatever. Yesterday I lost money, so you can see I lose money also, but it's very long in between, thankfully. But I can lose money also, and sometimes it's actually good for everyone to see that I have a losing day also, because it's like that. And if you then start to double up and double up, you can basically, even with this amount I have here, I can easily go through this account in one day if I lose concentration. So emotions are your worst enemy in Forex and in binary option. Trust me, there are so many times I've been trading Forex, for example. I put an entry, I have stop loss and take profit. Not more now, but I don't need to go more than 1.5 years ago. I lost a lot of money in Forex. I remember, like it was yesterday, it was dollar against Japanese yen. Did start to go up. I felt that this was the area I needed to take a trade. I had a beautiful entry, and I start to see that he go very close to my stop loss. And do you know what I did? What you never need to do. I removed my stop loss because I really felt that now this will go my direction. And do you know what? He continued. The trend, he was trending like crazy. What I did, as a stupid person I did double up the trade. And then when you start it double up one time, you start to see the losses start to be so big that you feel you can't exit the trade with a big loss. And you continue with it. I continue and continue and continue, and I exploded. I think 2/3 of my account was gone in that trade. Now thankfully I was talking so much now that I did not even see to take an entry down here. And as you can see, okay, maybe I will not lose, but that would be a very close one. So let's just remove this now. I don't like this, I don't like. So let's stay away from Binance Coin a little now. So yes, emotions, even when you are a seasonal trader like me, that I traded for many years, still that's why you see I traded very small amount on a big account, because if I have a bad start, I change for 200. That's the only thing I do. So if I, for example, I have 3 losses in a row in the start, I change for 200. That's the only thing I do. But yes, I could easily trade $1,300 each trade, because I said 2% of your account. So by the way, I activate up here now. This is close enough for me that I will activate it. So if you get up there again, I will take it. We might have an area down here. Let's wait and see. If you get one more test, I will activate this one also. Now, how long time have we been trading now? Actually, our live stream is almost done. I did not even follow. Just 3 minutes left. So if you're lucky, we get one more trade. Today our profit is $394 plus this, so will be around $400. That is quite decent. Now, like I said, I need one more test here, by the way. Not because that we are almost done with the live stream. I will just take a trade. Let's see if we get one and he close up above here, then we take it. Let's wait and see. We just have 2 minutes trading left, so that means 3 more bars. So that means things need to happen very fast. There, cool. Now if we close up in this region here, let's see, then we activate it. If not, I think we're actually done for the day. Let's wait and see. We want him to close up here. We are still waiting. No, don't looks like we're going to be trading more today. No. Then we will not find any more trades for today. Tomorrow, like I said, we will be trading on Discord. You find the link now in the chat. And when you join there, make sure you open with the broker we use there. Okay, so you will find all the information in Discord. Okay, so I have not set up the live stream in Discord yet. I will do that right after this live stream now. So when you come there, I will set it up and I will be posting it, and I will make a video about it also in YouTube, so you get the links, everything you need. Okay, so I hope I see you in Discord tomorrow. But for the ones that like to be here at YouTube, I will be back live again here in Monday. So make sure you sign up with the broker that you need here now. You find the link below every single video I have in YouTube. So you can join this broker and you can follow my trades. But like I said, always start with a demo account. And thank you all. Thank you especially for Maverick and Luke. Keep me a little company in my live session. Make them go so much faster. Today the time did go super fast. And that is much thanks for you too to keep me a little company, because it's boring when you're trading and no one talk in the chat. Because then you feel you talk a little with yourself. So when people ask us a few questions, things like this makes my time go so much faster. So thank you two so much again. I really appreciate both of you. So then I hope I see you also, Luke, tomorrow. And I know Maverick, you said you're going to come. I hope I see you also tomorrow in my live stream in Discord. Okay? Have an amazing day.